Welcome to our pharmacy store. In this video, we'll show you how to use your favorites list to create quick access to the products you order most, which makes the ordering process even easier. Ensuring that you are logged in, find the products you would like to add to a favorites list. You can select Add to Favorites from a product list page here, or on a product detail page here. When you select Add to Favorites, you'll be prompted to select the list to which you would like to add the product. If you don't have any lists yet, you can create and name one here. For example, let's call this list My Vials. Then, select Add to Favorites to add the product to your list. Please note, you can create multiple lists to organize your products in a way that makes sense to you. You can access your favorites list anytime by clicking on My Account in the menu, and then selecting Favorites List. This takes you to the Favorites page. Do you need a reminder when it's time to reorder? You can use the email reminder feature in your favorites list to make reordering easy. See our How to Create an Order Reminder video for more information. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about the pharmacy store, please reach out to us anytime. We'd be happy to help.